Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Bogus, and welcome to my Prezi presentation on Snapchat in public libraries. Here are the topics I will be going over for this presentation. Best library setting, what is Snapchat and what does it do, likes, dislikes, surprises, possible improvements, use in libraries, and best practices in libraries. Best library setting for Snapchat. Snapchat is best suited for a public library setting. It could be used to promote other social media campaigns and event series in a library. For instance, in terms of promoting a library function such as a wine tasting, a snap could be sent to patrons of the library who have the app as a reminder the week of or day before the event. What is Snapchat and what does it do? Snapchat is a photo and video sharing social media platform that provides a way to share temporary messages and updates with its users and their respective individual contacts. Likes. I will say that I like that I can find my contacts and my friends' contacts without having to search in depth on the app. I also like the photo editing capabilities of the app. I feel I can make something look more well-made compared to a regular selfie. Dislikes. To me, the most glaring problem is the short-lived life of the post compared to a Facebook post. If I were working in a public library, having a post promoting the institution, it would be better to have it stay permanently instead of disappearing after a user reads the message or sees the photo. Surprises. The amount of filters on the camera surprised me. I am not used to seeing that many features in regards to taking a cell phone photo. Possible improvements. I wish the Snapchat app could allow for links in the biography and description page of the institution such as Instagram does. Adding this feature would allow a user to directly use the app to connect to the institution's website, in this case a public library. Uses in my library. I would expand using this tool, Snapchat, to increase engagement with younger patrons of the library. Engaging with the younger patrons with Snapchat will allow them an opportunity to participate in influencing youth and teen programming at the public library. Best practices. One of the best practices in utilizing the Snapchat application would be checking the messages 3 times a day during business hours. Another best practice would be updating the library story twice a day to prevent it from going dormant before the next business day. Thank you all for your time and for listening. I hope that public libraries will continue to utilize Snapchat as they are or have been with other social media platforms to continue engaging with younger patrons and older patrons to help improve the public library setting. Thank you again for your time. Have a good day.